Diana Gadus, community market leader. And look at this beautiful home. This is luxury living at its finest. The nice sight line as we come in the front door. Nice high ceilings, same floors throughout. And it is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home. But what do you see? Let's take a look at the kitchen and the en-suites. Of course, there's a master bath. Top of the line appliances. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. This can be your dream house, brand new. Everybody wants to live in a brand new home. It has a nice bath right off the pool area. And let's see if we can go out this other door over here. We have a nice outdoor kitchen. And a screened in sitting area. This is all screened in. Look at this. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Let's take a look at the backyard. And again, this is on over a 1/4 acre lot. There are no HOA fees. It is in a quiet neighborhood in the McGregor area. Off of McGregor. Look at this. Privacy fence, wonderful landscaping, brand new pool. This could be your dream home. Again, Diana Gadus, your community market leader, digital marketing specialist. Give me a shout out. This is a wonderful investment property, wonderful second home, wonderful resort home, wonderful luxury home, and it can be yours. Nice income and investment property also.